Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to DevAlpha. In this video, I'll show my Alibaba.com product scraping bot. Before that, I'm going to show you the output file which the bot will export. This is the data which the bot will scrape. Okay, so this is the zip file, and when we extract it, go in the folder and open this executable file. So this is the bot. Here are the data columns that it will scrape, and today I have some vendors links. Vendor means some category links, these ones. And here we type our pages, how many pages will it scrape from one category. So let's say I type 5, so it will scrape first 5 pages from this link and this link as well. So just click start button. Once it starts and navigate it to the provided category link, it will show a message that apply your custom filters if needed. Then click OK. If you want to apply your some custom filters like country, seller type, or any other, apply that and just click OK. And if you don't want to apply anything, just click OK. Now the bot will start to scrape all the products from that category. Now it is scraping the results. And here are some other options in our bot. Let me show. Here is the theme option. You can apply theme of your own choice, like this one. And here are the palette colors. You can also choose that, like this one. And here you can pause or resume using this button, and it will scrape all the results of 5 pages from each link. After that, it will show a message all the products have been scraped. You can now export, and we can also export before completing the task. So now I'm going to show you how to export this. Click export button, and here change your output path. I'm choosing my desktop, for example. And here is our output format, and if we check this button, it will open the file after exporting. Now this is our file. We can further edit this file for our use. Let me show how you can make it usable. Now our file is ready for use. So this is our bot. If you have any questions, please go over this description, see the contact info and contact me. I will be very happy to assist you. And if you want some other bots like this for any website, I can develop that. Just contact me. I will be very happy to help out. Thank you very much. And if you like this video, press the like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel to stay updated with our new upcoming boards. Thank you very much.